Okay guys, today I'm going to show you these awesome features on your car steering wheel, and this works on multiple cars, different brand of cars. So what I have here today is Toyota Camry 208, 209, and I'm going to show you how to use cruise control on your car when the car is in motion. So this is what controls the cruise control, and the funniest and important thing is that it can allow you to deaccelerate on the car while the car is in motion going in. So I'm going to take you through to figure out how to use it on a road when the car is in motion. It is very important, and it has a signal here. So as soon as you press it, that signal will automatically indicate here. You can see this signal like a clock there. Yes, as soon as you activate it, it will show on the screen like a clock. It's a green light so that it can able to cruise itself without accelerate the pedal. So this is the most important thing you have to know about Toyota car, and every Toyota car have this thing on the steering wheel. So this is what we use to control the cruise control system on the car while the car is in motion. You can set your own speed limit, you can increase it and decrease it, and this cruise control indicates every 25 miles per hour or 10 miles per hour depending on your car and the speed you want to go. So you can increase it by placing it top, you can decrease it by pressing it down. If you set it in motion, this is the on and off. You can off it here, you can on it here, and at the same time you can off it here like that. But if you off it and you did not press the brake, no matter which speed you are going, it won't cancel it. So you have to press the brake before it will go off, and that is it. So you cannot use the accelerator when the cruise control is in motion. You can only activate it and remove your leg on it and drive it smoothly depending on the type of speed you want to go. And I can say again, you use it for 25 miles per hour or 10 miles per hour depending on the type of car you use. So this is a quick definition about cruise control. People know this particular thing on their car, but they don't know how to use it, and they don't even know it can also, require the car to drive by itself. These advanced cars regulated to it so that it can drive it by itself. And this is not the type of car it drive it by itself. It can give you a limit of speed that will allow you to deaccelerate the car. But if you want to cancel it, you have to press the brake before you cancel it here, or you switch it off here at the bottom. This is the cruise control, and it makes driving easier, especially when you are on the highway. So everybody should take note and watch it about it. If your cruise control system is not working, it can be an electrical fault. A throttle body actuation can also be one fault. It can be a brown fuse, because all this system work on the car is an electrical system, or it can be your steering angle sensor, which is inside here after the airbag. These are the things that make it work together, and you can see the cruise control signal is here. So as soon as you push this thing on, the cruise light will appear here, then you turn it on so that it will work. This is how it is. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video on this platform. Thanks for watching. If you have a car and you want me to do these similar videos, put your comment in the comment section. I would like to do a lot of cars, a lot of videos concerning cruise control, different type of car, different type of model. Toyota, Korea, car, Hyundai, Kia, Ford, whatever. I can do everything. So just link up, then we got to go. I always say this and repeat again and again. Follow those who know the road. Don't follow those who don't know the road. This is Eric Auto Center. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you then.